If you don't like cabbage, it's because you've never prepared it like this. Put the cabbage in boiling water and you'll love the result. I'll put the lid on and let it cook for 5 minutes. When the cabbage is transparent like this, it's time to remove it. Then put the cabbage in a sieve to drain off the water. Now I'm going to pour a liter of cold water over the cabbage to neutralize the cooking process. Squeeze it like this with a spoon. And let me know what your favorite cabbage recipe is because I'd love to hear about it. Set the cabbage aside. Now add olive oil to a frying pan, a chopped red onion, a grated carrot, half a red bell pepper cut into small cubes, and now I'll stir and let it fry for 5 minutes. After that time, we can add the cabbage to the pan. Mix until the cabbage is combined with the other ingredients. And now we can add the seasoning. Add salt to taste, allspice to taste, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and you can mix to add the spices. This recipe is super delicious and very practical. And the next part will make this recipe even more delicious. Now let's transfer it to a container. I'm going to add a chopped tomato and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Now let's mix them together. Then add some chopped parsley to taste, and now you can enjoy this delicious dish. It can be served hot just like that. Whenever I make this recipe here at home and have a visitor, they ask me for the recipe and tell me how you rate this recipe. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.